Hello everyone, this is Sean, your roof guy, talking about stains on ceilings. This time of year is when you're going to see those. There's a lot of rain in the afternoon almost every day. When you spot stains in your ceiling, it's a concern. First thing is call and have someone come out and do a roof inspection. Generally they'll identify the problem. If not, we can get in the attic and try to find the problem through there. But there are other factors that could cause the leak. There's air conditioning, condensation that can cause it. There's water lines that run through attics. Quick pause. I want to give a shout out to all the crews out there, Louisiana, Mississippi. Hurricane Ida just hit. It was one of the strongest ones to come ashore in that area. We're praying for the people out there. I hope everyone's safe. But for here in the great state of Florida, it's that time of year, guys. The hurricane season starts June 1st to November 30th. Actually, the biggest time of the hurricane season starts September, October. So we should be getting ready for that. Do the same thing we do every year. Let's get prepared. Let's stock up on batteries, water, the normal stuff. Don't wait till the last minute and go out and clean the stores out. We're better than that. Another thing to do is get your roof inspected now. A roof that's in good shape has a lot better chance of surviving strong winds for a hurricane. A roof that's in bad shape probably should be replaced before the hurricane. The benefit of doing that is if you have an insurance claim on your roof and you have that looked at before the hurricane hits, your deductible is going to be a whole lot less. Once you have the hurricane, any previous damage on your roof no longer is valid because the hurricane is going to take over the damage to the roof. Let's take a look at your roof today. Let's all be prepared for this upcoming storm, guys. Have a great day. Be kind to each other. This is Sean with XLR8 Roofing.